Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about some updates that Prodigy should add to the game. I did get this idea from Prodigy Mask Game Player who asked people to make a video on it, so I'm going to be giving my thoughts on what Prodigy should add. Alright, so the first thing that I think they should add is riding epics. This is pretty much every single Prodigy clickbait video. See, you will be able to ride the new epic dragons. Is Prodigy adding pets you can ride? So yeah, there are a few riding epics videos out there, but I do think that it would be a very good addition for them. So the next thing that I think Prodigy needs to do is stop focusing so much on mythical epics. Literally, pretty much every single update is mythical epic based, and they only come about once a month. So yeah. So the next thing I think Prodigy should do is they should ask players what they want to be added to the game, like do something or like make a boardy question each week asking which thing you wanted to be added to the game, and then if that thing gets the most votes, then it will get added to the game. Alright, so the next thing Prodigy needs to do is based on the arena. This is just like a bunch of stuff that I have to say about the arena. They need to make the arena seasons much shorter. I'm pretty sure this one's about to end, but it's about 120 days long, which, oh, it's 19 hours away from ending. That's very close. I'm banned from the arena, so yeah. But it's way too long. It's 120 days pretty much. It started in like June. And the arena season's 120 days is too long because if you want to finish it, you should only need about 60 days to do it. And then the next thing that I have to say about the arena is that they have to start adding stuff back or start putting more stuff into it, because in this arena season there were no buddies, there was no items, no really cool anything. The first three had buddies, items, interactive things that you could throw. Now they don't. And I just realized that my morph is gone. I'm not sure why. But like this arena season that's coming up doesn't seem like it's going to have anything that we have found in terms of leaks, but they might have not put them in the game. But there's a lot of potential for what they could have done, and it doesn't seem like Prodigy is capitalizing on the potential for the seasons. Alright, so the next thing Prodigy needs to do is make another thing like Harmony Island or like not Shiver Chill Mountain, Crystal Caverns, because like those were fun. It's something that you can actually do after you've completed the game, because there really isn't much things that you can do once you've completed this island, this island, this. There's only 2 other things you can do, 3 maybe if you have membership, and then no one likes Tower Town. So they need to add more islands that aren't like 100% to the story, but or something that you can do. Next thing they should do is get rid of Tower Town and replace it with one of the things that I was talking about, because no one plays Tower Town. And then the next one is probably what people most asked for, and that is for them to release the Storm Tower, because Prodigy needs to get the game speeding up so that not everybody quits. So I've said this next one before, and it's a bit controversial, but I think Prodigy should make it so that you can use the storm element, because why not? It shouldn't be that hard for them to do. I mean, it might, maybe if you defeat the Puppet Master, you'd get it, but that's going to take 10 years. So this next one, Prodigy's been holding up for on a for a very long time, years, and that is they need to open up these 2 stores, because now it doesn't even say anything's coming soon. So they're really here for just decoration now. They're never going to be added, it feels like. Next up is weekly shop updates. This, I would imagine, would probably be down here in the wand shop, or maybe in the pet shop. They could have like something each week. and also stuff that they could do in here. So I don't think the Mart would do that. Like, they shouldn't add the Magic Mart, but they definitely should do something like a weekly store. So the next one, a lot of people have been starting to notice this. Starlight Festival has not been here for a very long time. It hasn't been over here for, it's been almost 2 years. It's like a year and a half right now. I have not had it in the whole time I've been doing Prodigy YouTube, which has been 2.5 years. I mean, 1.5. So these next ones are just like buddy suggestions that I'd have. I want them to add a turkey buddy, cause that would be good for a November member box. And then also a golden snup. Prodigy Math Game Player has made one of those in its Discord server. And I think that it would be very good. Like, maybe make it like 1 in 100,000 something in Shiver Chill Mountain or in Crystal Caverns, so it would be insanely rare. And on to the next one. So this is one that Prodigy's never going to add. We all know it. It's make more stuff open for non-members. They're never going to do this because they only care about money, it seems like. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.